AFSPA is a symbol of oppression, is an object of hate. It should be repealed.
The Armed Forces Special Power Act is being extended again in Nagaland.
The Armed Forces Special Act has not given power to the armed forces to indiscriminately kill the public.
Many instances have taken place by misusing this act.
The killings of civilians in Nagaland by security forces in a botched operation has brought back the debate on Armed Forces Special Powers Act, also referred as AFSPA. The Armed Forces Special Power Act was enacted in 1958. It gives power to armed forces to open fire, enter and search without warrants, and arrest any person who has committed a cognizable offense, all while having immunity from any prosecution. The areas which are currently under AFSPA is Jammu and Kashmir. AFSPA in Jammu and Kashmir came in 1990. In Northeast, it was first introduced in 58. At present, Nagaland is another state where the Armed Forces Special Power Act is applicable. The other areas are Assam and Manipur. Excluding 7 assembly constituencies of Imphal, the other areas of Manipur are under AFSPA. In Arunachal Pradesh, there is few areas where AFSPA is still applicable. This was earlier in Tripura and Meghalaya also, but the security situation improved in Northeast. In 2015, it was withdrawn from Tripura, and in 2018, it was withdrawn from Meghalaya. Powers to impose AFSPA was with the states because the states carried out their own survey, and if they realized that they need to give armed forces special powers, so then they implemented it. But from 72 onwards, the center took the powers also in consultation with the states. These AFSPA is imposed. The benchmark is violence and activities by insurgents group. So in parts of Northeast, when this was actually done, we had no Bangladesh. There was always some kind of insurgent activities which is still going on, but it has come down a lot. From 2019 to 2020, there has been 27% reduction in insurgent incidents in 1 year. The civilian casualties between 2019 to 2020 has come down to 72%. In all, 646 insurgents were arrested and 305 weapons were recovered from them. These are all official figures shared by Ministry of Home Affairs. The security forces, what they ask for is that if you want us to operate, give us some kind of a protection. In that process, when I say security forces, it includes Indian Army, CAPFs, police, and special forces. So when you operate in those areas, in those disturbed areas, you need some kind of a protection. After every 3 months, AFSPA is reviewed. The situation is reviewed, and if the government thinks, the state or the center, if both of them agree that they should continue for another 3 months, so every 3 months this is extended.
Across Northeast, there was at one point of time Armed Forces Special Power Act was there, and more particularly, Armed Forces Special Power Act violations or confrontations have largely taken place in Manipur, Nagaland, Assam. Well, in Manipur in 2004, a group of women stripped naked in front of Kangla Fort after a lady, Manonoma, was killed by militants. They demanded repeal of Armed Forces Special Power Act. Similarly, we have seen a 16-year-long fast by activist Iram Sharmila, fast unto death. She was demanding scrapping of Armed Forces Special Power Act. In 2018, a summary general court martial sentenced 7 army personals for alleged fake encounter, and they allegedly in a mistaken identity or whatever, they killed a group of students. So, as a whole, Armed Forces Special Power Act has been always debated, contested, and it is something basically has been a very taboo word for activists and human rights defenders here. Strong voices demanding the repeal of Armed Forces Special Power Act has come after this incident of December 4. The Meghalaya Chief Minister has been categorically saying that it is time the act should go. Chief Minister of Nagaland, Mr. Rio, has said that being a democracy, India, the world's largest democracy, this is a draconian law and there is no place for this law in this democracy.
एसपीए तो ये जो हम लोग भी हमेशा गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया से पूछता है ये कि ये रिमूव करो, किस लिए हम हिंदुस्तान है बिगेस्ट डेमोक्रेटिक कंट्री इन द वर्ल्ड एंड दिस इज अ ड्रैकोनियन लॉ, सो इट शुड बी रिमूव फ्रॉम आवर कंट्री. देयर कैन बी मेनी लॉज व्हिच कैन हैंडल, बट दिस इज blackened the image of our country. That is my feeling.
In the last many years that the Armed Forces Special Power Act has been there, it has only been counterproductive, and there has been more unrest, and have had situations where a lot of precious lives have been lost and people had to go through a lot of pain and suffering. So therefore we are very clear in our stand that though the issues are there and we need to address those issues, there are many other ways to address those issues, and Armed Forces Special Power Act definitely is not the way to address those issues. And that is why we continue to keep our stand against the Armed Forces Special Power Act, and we will urge the government of India to repeal this draconian act.
So, on a whole, both these states are NDA states, and these demands means a lot.
There have been voices about repealing this act, and in fact there was a committee set up by the government and which recommended the report was made public, Jeevan Reddy committee, which recommended that this law should be repealed. As far as the act is concerned, AFSPA Act 1958, it was passed by Parliament and it can be repealed by Parliament.